minimalism. It. I'm just annoyed with the pretend lives of influencers or people we pay attention to who think they're fucking Steve Jobs because they have like only succulents on the shelf. Because I'm annoyed with myself. I feel like I'm supposed to live this minimally, but I'm not supposed to live life minimally. I'm supposed to live. You're not supposed to be a minimalist. You're supposed to be alive. I have been exploring minimalism for like 15 years. There's an energy in minimalism. If you want to change your life, do this thing where you get to pick 33 things in your closet. Just in your closet. Just your clothes, underwear, socks, shirts, pants, shorts, whatever. Everything in your closet. Pick 33 things. Whatever you don't pick, you don't have to get rid of. This is a huge trick. You don't have to get rid of it. Put it all in like garbage bags and put it in the attic or the basement or somewhere you're not going to see it. Like somewhere you do not go. You're not going to see it. And just live like that for 30 days. It will go off like a bomb in your life. Putting on that shell game of living life with 33 things in your closet. That's a thing I'm putting on myself. There's a discipline in that. There's an exploration in it. There's a project in it. For right now, it has a container, right? It's like it's not for forever. One of the best things about doing that 33 things in your closet thing is after a month, you forget about all the other stuff. And then like the season changes and you're like, oh shit, I have all that other stuff. Where is that? And you find it and it's like going shopping through your own stuff. It's tremendous. It's amazing. It really is fun. I'm glad I didn't get rid of that stuff. And I'm glad I got it out of my life. Right? It's this, I love that. That sort of energy, that came from putting a shell game on my life. I don't love things that we place on ourselves to try to make our lives look or be a certain thing. I prefer things that come from the inside out. I know I've heard this term shell game, so I might be using it wrong. But a shell of like the outside, the exoskeleton of an idea, a concept on my life for a time. I tend to see the value in these things and also to feel like I don't want to put myself under some external expectation of myself. And I find that minimalism has become this kind of thing. It has become like a religion for me. And I don't mean in the sense that I light a candle or I pray to some god of minimalism. I think feel somewhat spiritual about living with less. Living with less will absolutely change your life. And sometimes you need a shell game like that, 33 things to get you started. And you might, like me, find that the secret to that whole thing is not in deleting all of that shit and just putting it in bags and getting it out of the way, right? You don't like control alt delete on that. You just put it somewhere you're not going to see it, which felt somehow it made that game more doable for me. But don't let a concept like minimalism make you its bitch. I think that's what I'm saying. And minimalism is just one example. It's like a trendy freaking example. You might be really outdoorsy. Don't make being an outdoorsy guy, oh, I wear pants like this because I'm outdoorsy. Don't let that make you its bitch. You're fucking Terry. Terry does what Terry wants. Terry does a lot of hikes and Terry hunts, so that's why he likes these pants. I'm convinced this is one of the most valid and important projects in life is to live from the inside out instead of the outside in. And I know that I'm saying in this video 2 things. Number 1, fuck minimalism. Number 2, try this 33 things in your closet. It'll change your life. Outside in, try this thing. Do 100 sit-ups a day. Outside in, it will change things from the inside out. So I see the value in all of it. I just don't like it when in here, there's like a version of myself I'm supposed to be like some fucking second-rate Jiminy Cricket. Like the conscience of me that just reads Twitter. So, fuck being outdoorsy. Fuck being a minimalist. Fuck being a whatever your religion is. Shell games. Pretend. Attempts. And at the same time, you should try the 33 things. You should do more hikes. You should get some pants that you like to do hikes in. All right. That's it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Be yourself. Everyone else is taken. Support me on Patreon if you like this. Thanks. Bye.